In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Drive with ClickUp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to connect your Google account so you can easily attach and access your Drive files directly inside your ClickUp tasks. Let's start from inside your ClickUp workspace. Make sure you're in the correct space and list where you typically manage your tasks. In this example, we're in a list view showing all tasks within a workspace, but you can follow along from any list as long as you can see your task toolbar at the top. Once you're in the list, look for the option labeled More in the toolbar. This is usually represented by 3 dots or a similar menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. The More menu is where ClickUp keeps additional tools and settings that don't fit in the main view, so it's the place to go whenever you're looking to enable extra functionality like integrations. After clicking More, you'll see a drop-down with several options. From this list, choose Apps. This section is designed specifically for integrations and add-ons. It's where you can connect ClickUp with different external tools to extend what your workspace can do. When the Apps panel opens, you'll see a collection of different services that can be integrated. Take a moment to scroll through if needed, and then look for the area that highlights file storage or popular integrations. Within that highlighted area, you should see Google Drive listed among the options. This is the service we want to connect. Now click on Google Drive. This will open a dedicated panel or pop-up for the Google Drive integration inside ClickUp. Here, you're going to see a button labeled Connect. Click on Connect to begin linking your Google account. At this point, ClickUp will redirect you to a secure Google sign-in or permissions window. Choose the Google account you want to use with ClickUp, or sign in if you aren't already. Carefully review the permissions that Google is asking you to grant to ClickUp. These permissions allow ClickUp to access your Drive so you can search for, attach, and preview files right from your tasks. Once you've confirmed everything looks good, approve the permissions and follow the prompts until you reach the final confirmation. When the connection is complete, select Done or the equivalent confirmation button. Your Google Drive is now integrated with ClickUp. From here on out, you'll be able to attach Drive files directly to tasks, making it much easier to keep your documents and project work organized in one place.